going on, guys? My name is Chris. We're here at Hill Country HCYOTAWORKS. This is the shop I work at. I am the lead tech. We're an independent Toyota Lexus specialty shop. The history, we were dealership technicians. The owner is a 30-year Toyota Master Tech. I started working with him in May of 2015. I apprenticed through him. He helped me on my automotive journey. I'm now an ASE certified master technician as well. He got fed up and said, I want to do my own thing. I trust you. You're in it with me from the beginning, so you're my #1 guy. Are you in? I said, yeah. About a year and a half after we had that conversation, he's like, I found a building. Let me know when you're ready. And we started moving equipment in. May 1st, 2023, we opened to the public, and we've been here since. Challenges in the beginning were getting traffic and just getting business. Then on top of that is like, there's nobody else. There's me and him. So we would both make estimates, both talk to customers, order parts, stock, inventory, diagnose the car, fix the car. And it was just, we're doing the job of 5 or 6 people at the dealership with 2 of us. So really in the beginning, learning how to do all the jobs was very stressful, very difficult. Our very first customer, he's like, business is up 100%. So we had 1 customer, and then the next day he's like, business is back down 100%. And it was a lot of up and down, riding the wave like that. And so now 2.5 years in, that aspect of stress is starting to calm down, but we're also getting busier, which is good. We have a 4.9 rating on Google reviews, and the only reason it's 4.9, there was one guy who delivered food next door, and he just said, went to the wrong place, cool looking shop, gave us 3 out of 5 stars. I'm like, you're just a door dasher. And everyone's been understanding, and everybody wants to find a good, reliable mechanic who they could trust. And we're very open. This is our bay door. It's open, they can walk by and they can see us. It's personal, you know the owner, you know the guy working on your car. There's not 7 different people. And I think New Braunfels especially is a lot of local business, and that's very highly sought after in this community. When we were at the dealership, all the special service tools were provided by the dealer. You basically had an endless supply of, hey, I need this tool, put it on the shop budget, or tell your manager, we need this, buy it. Well, that comes down to Fred and I. Not having the right tool can be the deciding factor of, can we finish this job today, or can we even take this job on? There are certain millimeter depths that these seals ride on these like internal engine work, axle work. That's doing a good job or just slapping it together. Come here, pay us to work in your vehicle, we're gonna do it right. There are a lot of tools that I've purchased and I don't use them for 6 months, but I know I'm gonna have that job again, and having that tool will pay for itself in 1 or 2 jobs. So Koken, they're a Japanese tool manufacturer, and that's huge because Toyota and Lexus are Japanese cars. A lot of them are still made in Japan, and there are small differences like JIS versus a Phillips #2. That's the biggest one. A lot of the screws used on the Japanese-made models are JIS, Japanese Industrial Standard. Some of the sets are perfect for Toyota sizes, like 8, 10, 12, 14, 17, 19 in a 3/8 drive socket set, like an impact set. That's like every size you would need on a Toyota in 3/8. That and their tolerance being Japanese, it's tight tolerance. It's exceptional quality, and that works on like a lot of newer vehicles. Tight tolerance, the bolt doesn't slip inside the socket, so you're not gonna round it out. You're not gonna damage it and add any extra stress onto that bolt. A lot of stuff on Toyotas too is like tight access. They have really well knurled extensions. You can use them with your hands are dirty. You can get down into a deep hole, and like the nut grip especially, intake manifold bolts are 5mm hex, and you're going down into a blind hole with a hex screw that can fall out, and then it's in the depths of the engine. So having that nut grip technology helps minimize losing hardware, losing fasteners, and they're strong sockets as well. They don't break. I have yet to find the breaking point of some of Koken's tools. I do plan to swap over to everything that Koken makes for my hand tools. They don't make stuff like wrenches and all that, so I'm hoping they continue to expand. But as far as ratchets, sockets, all that stuff, I've been in the process of switching all that over. The Z series is fantastic. Anything that they offer that I can basically upgrade from whatever's in my box, I plan to do. I know Koken will manufacture new tools if there's enough interest, so specialty tools, if we could think of it, we could make it and they can make it a reality, that would help. A lot of the younger guys like, this is getting expensive, what do I do? If we can help get tools in their hand and they don't have to worry about it, we keep him employed. We keep him here, and then as his needs grow, Koken will help out. We can get another apprentice and just keep training people and keep the next generation going. Like I said, I've been working with Koken for a few years now. They've helped me every way they can, really just being there for us and like being a good company to stand behind. And then if you guys want to check us out, we're HCYOTAWORKS on Instagram. Our website is www.hcyotaworks.com. We're in the New Braunfels area, but we service a lot of people in San Antonio, Austin, Kerrville. So if you want high quality work on your Toyota or Lexus, you want a lift kit, you want maintenance, any of that, give us a call.
Do you love Koken and are a small company in the industry? Would love to have you featured in one of these Koken in the Field videos. We're offering these videos to dealerships using Koken, to our Koken brick and mortars, and tool trucks. Let us know. We'd love to highlight how awesome your company is.